Thanks to this, in 30 minutes you will have very shiny skin. You will look 12 years younger. It is a fact that a shiny skin speaks well of us and gives you great security in front of other people. But not everyone can boast of having a shine on the skin, as we must give it the care it deserves, and for this we will recommend an incredible home remedy. This home remedy only makes use of natural ingredients that are easy to get, inexpensive and not complicated. Best of all is that you only need 20 minutes to use the entire treatment. So if you do not have a skin of envy is why you do not want. Pay attention and apply as soon as possible. How to make your face shine with gold? For the exfoliation we will need the following: half tomato, a bit of sugar. Method of preparation and use: in a bowl we put tomatoes with the sugar, mix it and ready. We rub it on the face for 2-3 minutes. This will open the pores and remove the layer of dead skin on your face. Remove with water. Then we continue with a massage on the face. This will require the following: 2 teaspoons of tomato juice, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 capsule of vitamin E preparation, and use. In a bowl add all ingredients, mix well, and your massage cream is ready. Apply the cream on your face and massage your face for 5 minutes, and then